In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to transfer money from Opay to 1xbet. So let's say you want to deposit money to your 1xbet account from Opay. This is exactly how to go about it. So all you just have to do, just open your Opay app. Whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, you can still follow the same process. The next thing you want to do, just click on betting right here. So once you click on betting, it's gonna take you straight down to this page. Then the next thing you want to do, under the iLot bet right here, I guess iLot bet is actually doing some promotion with them, so you can see, and I guess it's also Autumn. So you can see what iLot bet, Sporty bet, Yeppy bet, Bank bet, YJ game, Easy game. So on the search provider right here, you can actually search for 1xbet. You can see right here. So just click on that. Then you can, under the user ID right here, you're gonna provide your user ID. I guess that should be in your mobile phone number or your username, something like that, or your unique account ID inside your 1xbet. I'm very sure you'll be able to see that. So just provide your user ID right here. Then provide the amount you actually want to deposit or you want to put inside your 1xbet, or you want to transfer to your 1xbet account. So let's say 100 naira, for example. Then just select the 100 naira, then input your user ID right there, then click on pay. Then you will be able to send the or transfer the money from your Opay account to your 1xbet without any issue.